Woo, your boy's cold, man. I'm cold, but you know what? This is my passion, so I got to get out here and bring it to y'all. So we on part 3 of what we should teach our kids. We said we should teach them to be curious, and that curiosity will lead them to their passion. And then once they get to their passion, then something's going to happen. They're going to run up into all kind of obstacles and roadblocks, and things are going to be told, no, you can't do that. That's a cool passion, but you can't do that. That's where the third one comes in. And the third thing we really need to teach our kids, and this is probably the most important really, is critical thinking. How to make decisions. What is the system you use to measure whether things are true? What is the system you use to solve problems? That is the key to being resourceful. That is the key to finding out how you're going to win in life. That is the key to everything. Like, we've got to teach how to reason and use critical thinking. And anytime we shut down a person's ability to critically think, it's slavery. Like, you're enslaving these kids to follow traditions. Like, no, the reason why we are today in the world that we live in is because somebody always pushed the boundaries, they pushed the boundaries, and they critically thought about things. And so use that ability to reason. Don't ever lose that. So teach them how to solve problems. Teach them how to make things happen and what process to use to make that happen. Peace and love, 1 R, 2 L's. That's 3. Stay tuned for 4.